BioSafe PTFE glides are designed to minimize mechanical wear and chemical degradation on a variety of surfaces, including epoxy and vinyl composite tiles with wax sealants or anti-static coatings. An ultra-low friction coefficient allows equipment and furniture to move without exerting abrasive forces, thereby reducing the risk of surface damage like scratches, scuffs, or microfractures. Traditional leveling feet often have rigid materials that create higher friction when moving equipment or cleanroom furniture, making it difficult to slide or reposition items smoothly. These higher friction forces tend to concentrate pressure on small contact points. The PTFE coating on Terra's glides is chemically inert, preventing reactions with floor coatings and preserving their appearance. Its design distributes weight evenly, reducing stress and preventing damage. For more information, please visit us at www.terrauniversal.com or give us a call at 714-578-6000.